You've probably heard about the Clickbank affiliate program. Even if you're new to affiliate marketing or have already been acquainted with the business concept, this affiliate marketing network gets a lot of attention in the affiliate marketing world, and it's one you'll hear a lot about, especially if you're just getting started. Well, now that you're at it, you might as well enjoy and finish this video. Hello and welcome to Upstep Financial. Join our channel by hitting subscribe and clicking the bell icon to be notified of new videos. In today's video, you'll discover all there is to know about the Clickbank affiliate program and how you would take your affiliate marketing career to new heights and start making money with such an acclaimed network. What is Clickbank? Most people think of Clickbank as simply another affiliate network. However, unlike typical affiliate platforms, Clickbank acts as a marketplace for both product creators and affiliates, allowing them to earn money together without the need for complicated paperwork or agreements. Clickbank is free to join and gives a wide range of various goods to advertise, as well as a list of different niches you may dive into and experiment with. In terms of affiliate commissions, the items in the Clickbank marketplace come with a variety of commission rates. You can earn affiliate commissions ranging from as little as $7 to as much as $950 or more. Clickbank provides a wide range of items to promote, including ebooks, training courses, videos, software, and many other digital products. How does Clickbank work? When compared to other affiliate programs, Clickbank offers several distinct advantages. Not only can you use Clickbank to advertise affiliate offers, but you can also use it to your advantage if you are a product developer seeking a venue to sell your product. In terms of payouts, you may choose to be paid weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and the minimum threshold that must be fulfilled for your money to be paid out is $10. One disadvantage of Clickbank payments is that you must first fulfill the client distribution requirement before getting your first payout. Clickbank states that you must achieve 5 distinct sales in your account from 2 different payment methods to meet these CDR requirements. You could pay using American Express, Carte2Bleu, Diners Club, Discover, MasterCard, PayPal, and Visa. This policy is implemented to prevent any fraudulent practices between your account and market products. Certainly, I understand that this might be a frustrating hump to overcome, especially when you're just starting. You could make some money, but you won't get it immediately due to the policy that if you are a Clickbank seller but haven't paid yet, either due to the CDR policy or because you may not yet have reached your threshold. Therefore, this policy only affects you on the positive side of things at your early stages. You will not have to worry about it again after completing the requirements and receiving your 5 sales figures and different payment methods. How to make money with Clickbank for beginners. The first stop is choosing your niche. Choosing a niche is critical to your Clickbank career and your overall success as an affiliate marketer. Consider specialty selection to be the cornerstone of your business. Selecting the unsuitable niche might impede your development and result in little to no returns with your affiliate business. In addition, when you're a novice trying to figure things out, niche selection may be a very intimidating, challenging, and time-consuming procedure. A variety of niches will most likely attract you, and you'll most certainly receive advice from a variety of sources, causing you to overanalyze things. When it comes to picking a niche, affiliates often go one of 2 paths. They either choose a niche in which they have a strong interest or a niche in which they are certain of making a profit. Of course, it's difficult to go wrong with any path, but it's generally suggested that you focus on a niche in which you have a strong interest. The strong interest or the profitable side. On the side of your strong interest, when you choose to create your affiliate business in a niche that you are interested in, you reduce your burden tenfold. In addition, because you're working in a niche you're passionate about, you'll be naturally encouraged to generate more high-quality material continuously. While on the profitable side, things may feel forced. You may lack the motivation to produce high-quality material consistently. Clearly, there is money to be earned, so it is difficult to go wrong with any path in the end. However, if you are prepared to learn about a new niche and are willing to put in all your effort to create outstanding content, you should be okay with whatever topic you work in, even if it does not interest you. It's all up to you and how much effort you're prepared to put in. How to choose the right Clickbank product. The next item on our to-do list is to select the best product to market. Product selection is critical since it will decide how much money you make and direct your customers, so you should do this properly. The items you promote and offer to your audience will reflect on you. There are hundreds of items available for marketing on Clickbank, but not all of them are worth promoting. Clickbank has many excellent goods to advertise, but it is also full of gimmicks and fraudulent offerings. As a result, conducting appropriate product research is essential to generating money and creating a positive reputation for yourself and your brand. All it takes is one poor offer for your audience to start raising their eyebrows at you. The Clickbank Marketplace. All affiliate items and niches will be available in the marketplace. This is the area you'll become accustomed to since it's where you'll obtain access to the items and the list of specialties they provide you. As you can see at the top of the page, a search box allows you to look for a particular product. You may also click the magnifying glass in the search field without entering anything to obtain a general overview of the best-selling goods on Clickbank. The list of niches given by Clickbank will be found in the bottom left of the website, and it goes all the way down to the bottom of the page, in case you believe they were the only niches the platform had to offer. If you're not sure where to begin, you may either start by choosing one of the niches on the bottom left sidebar, or you can choose the search box at the top and conduct a blank search to see what's selling well across the program. After you've selected a specialty or conducted a general search, you'll be given a selection of items that you may browse and advertise. As you can see, the names of the company's items and the promotion button are on your right. As you may have guessed, you click this promote button on the product of your choosing, and a unique affiliate link is produced for you. While watching products, you may have observed that each product has its own set of metrics. These metrics may be sorted by using the Sort By drop box at the top, which is useful when you want to be very particular when selecting an offer. The different Clickbank product metrics are gravity, average percent sale, initial dollar per sale, average rebill percentage, and average rebill total. What makes a product good? You might be asking, what makes a product suitable? Now that you're familiar with the Clickbank dashboard and the analytics behind the items, what metrics should you focus on the most? Most amateurs would just look at the gravity of a product while evaluating. And while gravity is essential, it should not be the only aspect you consider. A high gravity implies that the product is selling and converting at a fast pace, but it also means that you will face greater competition. As a result, when you promote deals with high gravity, the product sells, but you're also up against a lot of competition and a lot of other skilled affiliate marketers. Competition isn't necessarily bad in the corporate world, but it's not ideal for someone who is new to everything and has little to no experience. How to promote your product effectively. If you want to learn how to promote Clickbank products, you should focus on the following aspects of digital marketing. These are search engine optimization, social media, target group, pay-per-click, and forums. You should make use of as many choices as possible for successful marketing campaigns for your selected goods. How much money can you earn through Clickbank? If you're prepared to put in the time and effort, you can make a lot of money using Clickbank. Choosing the right product is simply one factor that will determine your success. You should be aware that you will not become rich overnight. Establishing your Clickbank product marketing will require a significant amount of time and work. Unfortunately, many individuals on the internet will try to convince you that you can earn $5,000 in a couple days, but this is far from the case. Depending on the products, you might earn anywhere from $15 to $50 for each sale. You'll make $150 each week if you sell a few things every day. That is by no means a lousy offer. In fact, some consider it to be a good one. However, bear in mind that if you work hard, Clickbank can lead you to unimaginable extremes. And that should do it. I bet this video was a big help for you to understand what Clickbank is, whether you're a rookie or someone who knows the system extensively. So, as you leave this video, please leave us with a like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video.